sides like.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fatmasari Ramadhania Sulaksono. So for this video, I will make video unboxing and review from one of the small and medium enterprise product and Indonesian local product. The product is Batik Satrio Manah. So let's get started. Batik Satrio Manah, one of the local small and medium enterprise product from my hometown Tulungagung City. Batik Satrio Manah is a home industry in Tulungagung district and has been established since 1976. Batik Satrio Manah also sells various types of print or written batik motif. Batik Satrio Manah Tulungagung located in Banguan Village, Kedungwaru District, Tulungagung Regency. Batik Satrio Manah also opens branch in Kediri and Malang. And you can also check at official Instagram account at Batik Satrio Manah and for the catalog at batiksatriomana.tulungagung, Batik Satrio Manah Malang, and Batik Satrio Manah Kediri. Here I got a paper bag from Batik Satrio Manah Tulungagung, and this one is the shadow puppet logo, and there is a batik motif too. On the paper bag there is also an address for each brand in Kediri, Malang, and Tulungagung. Next I open the content of the paper bag. Inside there is a box or cardboard for batik packaging. It is a Batik Satrio Manah and this logo of picture shadow puppet. On the back there is a brand's address and telephone number, and also the words Batik Satrio Manah. Then I open the product from the packaging. I buy two product here. The first product is hijab kawung batik mask, and the price was 10,000 rupiah. The color is so pretty. Oh my god, it looks like beautiful. I like this. I think this type of hand drawn batik, and I think it can be used for two motifs like this. Next, the second product is instant batik skirt. The color is dark blue mixed white, abstract pattern. This made from batik cloth. The price is 150,000 rupiah, and the material is very comfortable. And this is a type of printed batik.